Okay, so since a lot of stuff are doing it, so why not? So I'll show you guys how to get some free stuff from TEMU. So what you're gonna do, just come here and click earn credits. Once you're here, just go ahead and click free gift, and yeah. So once you click here, it's gonna open up just like this, and once it's like this, you just need to starting up. Just pick 5-3. Here, as you see, they want us to pick 5 items. So let's go ahead and choose 5 items. So all this right here are free. So I'll go ahead and choose this tablet. Okay, as you see, it's free. Confirm and choose. Okay, and now let's go ahead and choose other stuff. This right here, it's free, as you see. Choose this MacBook. This MacBook for $9, but let's get the gray one. Confirm. And as you see on the bottom here, we just need 2 more. You can do that again and just repeat the step until 5 stuff are in there. Once they're in there, you can just I'm gonna need these here. As you see, we just need only 1 more stuff right now. So let's see this one, iPhone 11. Boom. You can just go ahead and click confirm, and you should be able to get it, and just share it to your friend when it told you guys to share it to your friends. And I'm assuming you guys should get it, because once I get my hands on this, I'll start doing a lot of giveaways. So yeah, make sure guys, by the way, download TEMU. Don't download TEMU because it's scam, by the way, because they sent me my stuff already. So just don't download it, okay? If I wouldn't recommend you guys to download it, because it's a scam. I ordered my stuff already, and it already comes. I already did a review video on it, so check out my YouTube channel. It should be there. If you don't see it there, then they're scamming. But I did record a video of revealing TEMU, the products, in my videos, so that way they're not scammed. But TEMU scammed me for real. So don't download TEMU. The link will be in the link will be in the description. Just don't download TEMU. Whatever you do, do not download TEMU. Okay.